Captain Block.
Yeah.
Well, hey.
Yes.
Now what's this, hey?
Hey, what's this?
My white whale. Now you can show to the viewers because, hey,
What's this?
just today...
No,
hey,
first salute.
of course, of course. First of all, salute all subscribers and viewers. Thanks for your support, for visiting our channel, for all your comments, for your subscriptions, and for sharing and spreading the passion from this channel to the rest of the world. Because, hey, flying cars and planes, and that's the best hobby in the world, eh? And if we haven't persuaded you by now, this filming will be something for all the warbirds lovers.
Hey,
Of course, hey.
Was this shot down?
Hey, this actually just today I have posted the video of RP004, my drain pipe plane.
Which was nothing.
The test that proved to be nothing because we had even less trust that on the RP003. Now can you imagine?
No,
this,
forget about that, eh?
But not forget, hey. I can say something here. Eh?
No, because this is the star of the video.
Hey, wait,
You will say when time comes.
Wait.
No.
Viewers, this will be RP005.
And that's enough.
And that's it, eh?
Yes.
And I can tell you right now, I will promise you, eh, that this plane will fly good, eh?
And now to
because
the point.
I will do totally different. Now, but of course, where's the story today? Now, like... But what, Captain Block, eh?
Yeah, you're distracting me.
But don't zoom first here. First there must be a story why are you zooming here, and then you will zoom in. Now the viewers who are following our channel, you have, if you check just a few videos back, you will see that we have presented you the iconic World War II German Luftwaffe warbird, and you know the most iconic it was on the beginning of the start of the war, the Junkers JU-87B Stuka, the dive bomber.
Yes, which is still in pieces and will be for a long time.
Of course, I didn't do nothing on that plane, but hey, maybe now I will have the things in motion because today I will show you something so special, viewers, that we must film this no matter what, eh? Because I wanted to see a video like this for 4 years, but I didn't found nothing on the internet, on YouTube, only the original footage from the Second World War. Now, what was the point of that plane? Now, of course, the engineering of the plane, you can't miss that one with those wheels, with the shoes and the wings tilted like this. But the most important thing on that plane was the Jericho siren. Those planes has the siren on, and when they were started to dive, they started the sirens on, and that was to put a little more scary effect to the planes. Yeah, of course. Now, since I got that Stuka that I have there in my hangar, 2-meter wingspan, from the moment that I bought that plane...
Isn't it 2.08?
I will tell you exactly what it is. 2.032 meter. Not 2.3, but 2.032 meter. Now, from the moment that I bought that plane, I was searching all over the internet if maybe you can buy the Jericho siren for that plane, because can you imagine, viewers, say, that we will put the 4-stroke gasoline engine on and that we don't have the siren, eh? But what?
Nothing, just speak.
And this will be for the next filming, because I'll tell you right now, viewers, say, go there. Go on the spot, eh? Because I will tell viewers right now, of course, I will forget about this a little while, because I was...
Don't forget.
I was thinking that when I started to fiddle with the modeling, I always asked Captain Blash, what tools do I need to be an RC plane modeler? And we will film the video, viewers, for all the beginners, when I will open my box and I will show you everything, all the tools that I have inside, and they work perfect, and it's all that you need to be a modeler. And now back here, Now all this time I wanted the siren, but there was no way to buy it. Nobody knows nothing about this. I had 100 leads on the internet that leaded me to nowhere. And finally, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago, I will salute now my cousin Davor. He has sent me the link to this beautiful and sexy siren, and I will salute Captain Christian. He has printed me this one. Now the good thing about this is that this baby will run. I will show you right now. Come here, Captain Blush. You can show. Look at this. Do you see this? I will show. Do you see?
No.
But what now? Like this?
Wait. Too much. I'll just read it. 35, 36.
But screw.
850 kV.
Yeah, but Aerostar. Now I want to show you this. Screw the KVs. Of course, viewers, the KVs are important because you don't need bigger KV than 850. But from where this motor
the motor is from Bushmule.
I will salute obvious right now, because this motor that I have from my Bushmule that I have made it on the jet plane, this motor is perfect,
Yes.
And this ESC, Captain Blush, this is from the Fly Baby, I think,
Yes, I was just
I have reused it all, you were saying.
Is it the same? Oh, the same.
Well, Skywalker in free-wing planes goes this. I mean,
This is also Skywalker.
Hobby wing. I mean, I really don't know now from which.
Yeah, it's good ESC.
But screw that. The point is that I will tell you right now. Now, like I said, for this Jericho Siren, you need the motor with 850 kVs, and this one fits perfect. Look at this, everything. The mount for the motor, the screws to, because you screw this like the propeller.
Yes, yes.
Even this, look, the spinner fits on perfect. Now, of course, then you need the ESC that will hold like this one is 2 to 4S. And you run this on 3S, which
Don't look at me, look at the lens.
Yeah, of course, I'm
You're talking to the
viewers, viewers, 2 to 4S, because this Siren works on 3S. Now, of course, I don't zoom too much because I just got the comment that viewers don't like to zoom too much on me. Because it's not pretty.
It works on the S?
Not on the S.
Did you say?
It runs on the 3-cell batteries. 3S, Captain.
3S,
3S batteries, viewers. Batteries, 3-cell, not the S.
I thought it was 3Ss.
I will be using for this test, look at this, a sexy graphene 2.2 milliamp battery.
2.2 milliamp?
Yeah, 2,200 milliamps.
Yeah,
screw that. Now the point is, if you look at this Siren like this, now I was really wondering, if this will make some sound,
But how do you know in which direction must it go? You tried it?
Well, the first time I have plugged it in, it was working perfect and totally right direction. It will go like this. It must go like this, look.
So it breaks the air?
Yeah, so it breaks the air, it grabs the air here, and then it put it out. It actually works like the propeller. But viewers,
now just try it.
This is the video that we all want to see, and I will test this just for you. So we will have the first video of the Jericho Siren.
Hey, is it on medium?
Not on medium, on nothing.
Yes.
On nothing, Captain Blush, it must be.
Yeah, no, okay.
Because this is like the servo tester. Oh. Now, I'm just wondering if the world is ready to hear the same sound as it was during the Second World War. Now, don't be afraid. You can go a little there, Captain Blush, all the way to the table, because, I was really wondering, how can this make a sound?
Don't just try it.
Viewers say, but this is not something that you can see every day. Now, just be ready, and imagine the plane that I have in my hangar with this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you hear something, You hear it?
Yeah. crazy.
Hey, once more, just for the viewers, because you don't hear this every day.
Can you imagine this on a plane? But this must be on a knob on a transmitter.
Well, of course, I won't put this, viewers. I won't put this on just a knob, just on off switch, but I will put this on the slider.
Yes.
Because can you imagine? Because on the slider on my transmitter, I will be able to do the same like this, and I will just make as much sound as I want. We will hear it in the air. This is perfect.
Yes.
Now what to tell at the end, viewers, I think that this is it, and I can't wait to see this on the YouTube, and I will post it, and to hear the sound of this, because
and put it on a plane. We're not going to wait for Stuka,
and we will put on some plane, If I would assemble the Stuka, viewers, by the spring, we will just put this on some plane, and who cares what kind of plane it is? Because can you imagine, Captain Bloch, just saying to Captain Bloch, because he can put this on his giant plane. You got all the parts that you need, and you will assemble it more quicker than I will assemble my Stuka. And can you imagine the trainer plane?
Why wait for the giant plane when we have got happy time?
Well, we will put it on something,
Yes.
But as long as I have it now, and I think that this is the first one in Slovenia, at least,
Yes.
I have the Jericho Siren for the beautiful, sexy Junkers Stuka. So this is it.
Yes.
What to tell at the end? Viewers, amazing test, I know that some viewers will be interested in this, maybe some won't be, but here you have something that you can listen and ask me if you have some questions about this.
Yes.
So this is it.
Yes.
Pilot Robert and Captain Blas signing off from Slovenia. With
Rainy Slovenia.
With the rainy Slovenia, of course, it is weekend. Can you imagine?
And you know what?
What?
At 1 o'clock this afternoon, it was at my house when I have the daughter's mini house, 17 degrees Celsius.
But can you imagine this, viewers? In 1 week, we went from minus 12 degrees Celsius to plus 17, almost 30 degrees Celsius of a difference, and raining all day, shitty weather, but if we have shitty weather, at least we can try crazy things like this,
Yes.
So this is it.
Yes.
Now Captain Blaska, quick! Because we must do what here?
I have to go home to get a plane.
Yes, because viewers say we have time now, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we must film another video, So this is it.
Yes.
We love you.